Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Online Academy. Today we're going to learn about some exciting action words, also called verbs. Action words tell us what someone is doing. Let's look at some fun examples. Flip, flip, flip. Example, he flips a pancake. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Example, she squeezes a lemon for juice. Stir, stir, stir. Example, she stirs the hot coffee. Break, break, break. Example, she breaks an egg. Wring, wring, wring. Example, she wrings the towel to dry it. Crumple, crumple, crumple. Example, she crumples the paper and throws it away. Squash, squash, squash. Example, oh no, he squashed the tomato. Smash, smash, smash. Example, he smashes the glass. Press, press, press. Example, he presses the button. Crush, crush, crush. Example, she crushes the coriander. Great job! You just learned fun action words. Can you act them out? Try them at home and tell us your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time at the Smart Online Academy, where learning is fun.